Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I have a super simple mod for your E90 BMW. A little while back I saw a bunch of channels upgrading their start button on their E90, and to be honest with you, I wasn't a fan of the design. But when I found this, I really like it. It's got the crystal effect from the newer G Series BMWs, and it has a red outline just for a little bit of character. This is a pre-LCI E90. The vehicle has 196,000 miles on it, but the start button is actually still in decent condition, as you can see. It hasn't really faded, or it doesn't have the peeling like the LCI models. But I figured let's do something fun here, something different, and show you guys something new if you're looking for a simple mod for your E90. Since I've had this trim out on a few occasions, I should be able to just pull this forward by hand. If it's not that easy, you may want to use a plastic trim tool to get behind here. But now that we got that forward, I can stick my fingers in from the inside and depress this plastic tab here and this plastic tab here to get it forward. On the connector itself, there's two push pins that you press in and pull forward. So here's the start button itself. You get a small flathead screwdriver. And there we go. Separate this trim ring from the start button. Looking on the side of the start button, you'll see there's these little clips here that you want to remove. Just get it forward a little bit, use your fingernail to hold it. All right, and it just pops off. Now let's unbox the new one. Quick comparison. There's a little locator tab on the start button that lines up with the groove on the actual mechanism. With regards to the trim ring, there's also a relief on the mechanism. There's a look at the assembled button. It lights up in a really cool way. I'll go get that put back on the car. For reference, that's the type of flathead screwdriver I use to open up the button. So there's a look at the button installed. As you can see, you get a crystal effect on that. You can see the start, engine, stop characters in the background of the button kind of morphing. Looks really neat. Let's see it with all the lights off. That's what it looks like. It's kind of exaggerated right now. It's relatively dim, to be honest with you. But in a pitch black car, it looks pretty cool. That should give you an idea. There you go, guys. A nice little simple mod for your E90 to modernize it and kind of bring it up to date. I know this is nothing new. A lot of guys made videos about this last year, but I think this is the first video on the crystal button. As far as I can tell, they make them in blue, red, and silver. I'll put links in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing one. I also prefer the way it feels. It's nice and flat, so you get a nice positive engagement, and it sticks out from the factory location. So it's easier to find the button and just push it in. All right, guys, there you go. Another mod for your E90, something that looks a little bit classy in my opinion. If this is the first video you're catching of mine, consider subscribing. I do upload regularly. Thanks for watching.